Hi there. With this one, I want us to look at statistics. We have a frequency table here. Is talking about the number of hours learners spent on their cell phones in the last week. From 0 to 2, we have 10. And then from 2 to 4, we have 15. 4 to 6, 30. And it goes down to between 10 and 12, it is 5. Now, our objective here is to sketch a cumulative frequency ogive to represent this set of data. For us to be able to sketch a cumulative frequency here, cumulative frequency ogive, we need to first come up with the cumulative frequency here. How do we do that? It's a matter of adding all of them. The first step here we have a 10, and then for the second step we add the first two, that is 10 plus 15, that's 25. And then for this one we add the first three, 10, 15, that's 25. 25 plus 30 is 55. And then plus this 35, that gives us 90. And then 90 plus 25, that's 1, 1, 5. And add the last 5 is 120. That is our cumulative frequency. The maximum is 120. Now, in drawing our cumulative frequency, I want to emphasize something here. I want to emphasize something. The coordinates that we are supposed to have, I noticed a mistake that we sometimes make. We do not look for the midpoint for this class interval, but we make use of the 2. So we are saying 10 is going to go together with a 2, and then 25 is going together with a 4, and then 55 is going together with a 6, right? And the other thing, we start at 0. So our first point here, as we are drawing our cumulative frequency, my vertical axis is cumulative frequency, and my horizontal axis here is hours. My horizontal axis is the hours. So we are saying here, we are starting at 0, 0. I'm starting at 0, and then I have a coordinate where horizontal axis is as 2 and vertical axis, okay, horizontal axis we are at 2 and vertical axis we are at 10. So here is my 2, and it goes with the upper boundary, that is the 2. And the second one, horizontal axis, is at 4, and 4 is going together with 25. So here is my 4, this is 20, my 25 is here. And then the next one is 6 as to 55. Here is my 6 and my 55, this is 50, and my 55 should be here. And the next one, the upper boundary is 8, is going together with 90. So my 8 here is going together with my 90 is here. And then this 115 is going together with 10. So it's 10 as 2. This is 115. My 100, so this is 100, 110, so 115 is here. And the last one is 12. 12 is going together with, okay, my 12 is here. So my 12 is going together with the maximum, that is 120. This is my cumulative ogive. And when you are drawing it, try to draw something that is as smooth as possible. I wonder if I'll be able to draw something that is smooth here. Let me try it. We join the points with a smooth curve. This is not bad. This is our cumulative frequency ogive. Just remember, you don't look for the midpoint of the class interval. You make use of the upper boundary. So our upper boundary here is 2. So 2 goes together with 10 is 2:10. The next one, 4, goes together with 25. And you do that until we get to the end. Remember where you started from. And then our next objective is to get the median. Let's try to get the median hours. To get the median here, you start from the vertical axis, right? Our maximum is 120. If our maximum is 120, what is the median? 120 divided by 2. So the median should start from 60. So you go to your 60. And then go straight. When you get to your curve, get a straight line. Here it is. And from what I can see here, if we started from 60, our median is approximately 6.5, because this should be 7. So my median then should be approximately equal to 6.5 hours. And then if we want to look for the lower quartile, remember we got our median at 60. And then our lower quartile, where do we get our lower quartile? Remember, lower quartile is a quarter. So what is the quarter of 120? 60 is a half. So a quarter should be half of that 60. That is at 30. So you go to your 30, you go straight. Where you get to, you go down also straight line. This should be 5. So I believe my lower quartile is at 4.5. Lower quartile, that is Q1, should be approximately equal to 4.5 hours. And then our upper quartile, it is at 75% or 3/4. So it's 3/4 of 120. It is at 90. 3/4 is at 90. So you go straight with your line, you get to the curve, and then you go down. It is at 8 hours. So my Q3 is approximately equal to 8 hours. That's how we deal with a cumulative ogive and getting the median, upper quartile and lower quartile from our drawn cumulative frequency ogive. Remember, practice makes perfect. Continue practicing. You'll eventually become perfect. Enjoy.